Hello and welcome to Blocs Master. My name is Elder and this is the Blocs Master Weekly. And in this episode we will take a look at the new application template I have developed for Blocs 6. So I will be very short today because, well, we all are busy. Basically, this was the old application template which I have developed seven and a half years ago, I think. So a long time ago. And back at the time, I think it was made this Blocs 2, and I updated it over and over again to kind of support the latest version, but it kind of a little bit outdated. Well, it's still good, I think. I mean, I can maybe adjust the animation speed a little bit. This is the latest version. But I thought I should create something new completely, and this is what I'm doing this year, is all of the Blocs templates. I'm taking the old Blocs templates, which I have built using Blocs 2, 3, 4, and rebuilding them in Blocs 6, and of course I'm using minimalist library while doing so. So today I released the new application template, and this is how it looks. As you can see, it is quite different. Before it was just one page, one landing page. This one includes 7 pages, but it's still a very simple template, because I think for this particular purpose, it doesn't need to be too complex. It's very clean. It has, I think, one of the best mobile optimizations I have ever done on Blocs. Maybe Studio template is also kind of one of the best, but this one is close to being there. And it is super optimized, super beautiful, very smooth, and you can see there are this feature section is just this simple. There are just 8 icons. They have hover effect, but also, as you will see, on scroll there is also some movement in pretty much all of them. It might be changing of the icons, as you can see, from like sun to snow, for example, or it can be from sunset to sunrise, and that's all done, of course, natively in Blocs. And I'm utilizing the new feature of Blocs 6.2, which is stacked containers. So I'm basically having 2 icons like placed in the same place, and then one is replacing another when you scroll. Very simple, but does look cool. And in addition to that, it spots the new buttons I have added in Blocs library 2.7, minimalist library. As you can see, these hover effects, the shadows. This one as well is from the new minimalist library update. And it is very simple and it is very easy to edit. This was the main target for this template. I wanted it to be very easy to target, to edit. And yeah, it has some cool looking buttons, cool looking icons, some branding, which can be, well, easily adjusted to anything you want. And it has like I said, 7 pages, which includes all of the system pages. It has this beautiful FAQ page, this animated icon, which is like turning when you click on this. And yeah, I mean, it's very simple. I'm not gonna reinvent the wheel here. It's just the basic template which you will need for a simple application, be it for mobile or for Mac. I think this is perfect. It will convert well, I'm telling you. Well, it has some download page, for example. Right now I'm kind of showing the macOS version only, but you can duplicate this box and have different options for Windows or for iPad, whatever app you're building for. And it comes as always with all of the software company optimized privacy policies and terms and conditions policies as well. And in addition to that, it also has the 404 error page as well, which is these days, I think I included pretty much every template I built. And of course, I'm utilizing the minimalist library, so it's just one click to add this. So before we finish this very quick video, let me show you how you can easily change the color scheme of this template. You can change from light to dark mode very easily, same way you will do this any minimalist library project, but let me show you how easy it is to optimize it and change the color to something different. So let's open this application template which I installed. By the way, this is the first template built with minimalist library 2.7. So I will use this template, and all I need to do to change the whole scheme, the whole color scheme of this template is to change three color swatches here. So let's start this the brand one. Let's say that we want it to be, well, let's just do that. Let's just switch to orange. Let's say we want it to be orange. It means that for this one we will have also orange, but almost, you can see this one is actually responsible for the background. So what I want to do, I will make it a little bit orange, but not much, something like that. And this one, second one, primary variant in this case, it will be the same orange, but a little bit darker, because I'm using this for hover effects, for example, things like buttons and, well, other boxes, stuff like that. So that's it. I changed just 3 color swatches, and now the whole website is in this reddish orange type style. As you can see, by the way, this is the cool feature. When we hover over some mouse in the bottom right corner, it shows us the preview of this page. Very cool. It's the new feature in Blocs 6.2. And as you can see, the hover effects, the box design, all of the styles were carried over from the global swatches we just changed. So let's go to FAQ page. This one is dark mode. So if you want dark mode, you can kind of copy what I've done on this page to the other pages. And as you can see, it is great. It is completely changed the bluish vibe to this orange vibe. I think I like it. I should have replaced this before I released the template, but well, you can do it yourself. So yeah, this is how easy it is to change it. You can see all of the icons, all of the borders are now orange. And in addition to that, I mean, everything else too is also easy to change. So let's say you want to name your app or whatever the website you're building it for orange. You just change that, and then now it's orange. You need to change the version number. You can do that easily here as well. So if you zoom in, you can see that now it is perfectly orange. So I think that's it for this video. I didn't want to make it too long. I do have a couple of tutorials in the works, which I will release maybe as an episode of Blocsmaster Weekly, or maybe as a separate video on Blocsmaster channel. And either way, if you're not subscribed, subscribe, because we're almost at 2,000 subscribers. And yeah, I will talk to you in the next video.